guys, y'all back for another video. Well, come on in so y'all can watch this video. Now you guys, this video is strictly going to be about after sex care. I'm going to give you guys a few tips on what to do or what you should be doing after you have sex. But right now I'm going to ask you a question. What do you guys do after sex? Do you sit there and cuddle? Do you tell each other how good it is or how good it was? Do you sit there and ask your partner about how their day going so far or how it was going earlier? What do you do? Now, after I give you guys the tips, I'm going to give you my sex routine, my after sex routine. So, you guys, the first thing, well, for my ladies, the first thing you need to be doing after sex, ladies, is getting up and pee. And most of us already know this, but some of us do not. So, yes, ladies, you want to get up and pee while you're having sex. Bacteria can transfer to your urethra. So you want to make sure you go to the bathroom and pee that out. You want to flush away all the germs. So make sure you pee, ladies. And also, after you pee, after you pee, you want to make sure you hit front to back. Never back to front, because you don't want to bring the bacteria from your anus to your vagina. So make sure you always do front to back. And whether you hit the shower or not is up to you. You do not have to get in the shower. It all depends on what you want to do. You can use a wet wipe, like Cottonelle wet wipe, flushable wipes. Or ladies, what I do is I get lukewarm water and soap, and I put on a rag and I wash down there. Now, do not directly insert it into you, because that can cause bacteria and infection. So you don't put it directly into your vagina, but you clean down there. I have known for some ladies to use their hands, just warm water in their hands. Some ladies would use a rag like me. Some ladies would let it air dry. Even some ladies will pat it dry or get a blow dry and put on cool set and blow down there. So it all depends on you. But you do want to make sure you pee after sex to flush out any bacteria that could have came during sex. And also you want to wash. Like I said, ladies, it's up to you whether you want to take a shower or not. Number 2 is make sure you go get something to drink. Drink some water. You want to stay hydrated. Since you had all that, all that hot and steamy, sweaty sex, you want to make sure you stay hydrated. And then plus, staying hydrated, it will make it easier for you to go pee. You can drink water. You can drink cranberry juice. You just want to make sure you're hydrated. 3 is make sure you have on nice loose clothes. You do not want to have tight-fitting clothes because you're sweaty, you're hot, and that is bacteria and yeast playground. They love that type of stuff, and you could possibly catch a yeast infection. So, ladies, you want to make sure you have loose-fitting clothes on, preferably cotton. So, yeah, wear some cotton so that way the air can transfer, through and freely. And, you want to catch an infection, so make sure you have loose-fitting clothes on, ladies. My ladies. Next is, if you have a toy, make sure you clean that toy. Yeast, bacteria, fungi can stay on the toy after you use it. So you want to make sure you clean your toy before you use it, and you want to make sure you clean your toy after you use it. It's very, 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 very important. You don't want to catch any yeast infection, any bacteria, any infection, nothing like that. So make sure your toys are clean before and after you use your toy. You can use toy cleaner, or you can use lukewarm water and soap, preferably toy cleaner. But if you don't have that, you can use lukewarm water and soap. So yes. And ladies, also while you're in the bathroom, peeing and washing up, make sure you wash your hands, because any bacteria can be transferred from you touching his genital or you touching her stuff down there, just your partner in general. So also make sure you want to wash your hands. So now, let's go back to your toy. We left off at using your toy. You want to make sure you wash before and after. Next, my ladies, you need to check the condom. You want to make sure it doesn't have any tear in it or any hole. You're using a condom for a reason, so you don't want to have an accident baby or could possibly transfer any sexually transmitted diseases. So you want to check to make sure you don't have any holes or any tear. Now that we got all of those things out the way, I'm going to let you guys know about my sex routine. What do I do after sex? After me and my partner are finished having sex, we lay there for a minute and we compliment each other and let each other know how good the sex is. Now I let him know how good the D was, how I want more, and when I am completely sure that we're not going to have any more sex, I get up and go pee. After I pee, I take a rag, warm water, and soap. Now I use Dove Sensitive, either Dove, the regular white Dove, or Dove Sensitive, because you don't want to use any soap with any fragrance in it, because that could possibly throw off your pH balance. So I use Dove Sensitive or the regular Dove white soap. I use that with lukewarm water, and I wash down there. And as I'm washing down there, he has a towel cleaning up himself. So after we done all that, we get back in the bed and we cuddle and watch TV. It's just that simple. Either we cuddle or watch TV, or I'm doing something else. I get up and probably cook or deal with the kids if the kids are there, or if they're asleep. But yeah, my sex routine is afterwards. We let each other know how good it was. Get up and go take not a shower. Like I said, taking a shower is ultimately up to you. Get up and wash down there, and that's he's cleaning up, and then that's it. We get in the bed, cuddle and look at TV. So you guys, let me know down below, what are your after sex routine? Do you cuddle? Do you get up immediately and go wash? Or do you wait a couple of minutes? Do you wait a couple of hours? Do you let each other know how your day went? But let me know in the comment how it was, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. When you guys watch the whole video through, that helps me out, and when you guys like the video, that helps me out. So thank you so much for watching so far. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to get a post notification every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.